8 gigabyte USB at the minimum. You're gonna put that in your PC. You're gonna go to Google and create a Windows Media Creation Tool. So Windows 10 Media Creation Tool. Alright, this is what you want. You want the Windows 10 installation media. I'm gonna open the file. That's my son in the background. So he's my little baby. Please excuse him, he don't know any better. What do I want to do? I want to create a USB flash drive. Next. Yeah, you check on this option for your PC. I do. Alright, USB flash drive. D is the one I want. Alright, let it do its thing. Alright, we're gonna hit finished. Alright, real quick, I want you guys to take a note of this, pause the video, write it down, do whatever the fuck you want to do, because it's gonna go in command here shortly. Alright, now that you took note of this, I want you to go to File Explorer, this PC, and right here, just if you're on your PC, you probably just have your USB that you just made and just your C drive. You know, other people have more memory. It all depends on your PC. We're going to be formatting my C drive, which is close to 500 gigabytes. I am not going to be touching my 1 terabyte. So make sure you just take note of how big your C drive is, how big your operating system drive is. Alright. You don't want to format something you don't have to. Alright, cool. Alright, next I'm about to power down the PC, and I'll catch you guys on the iPhone. Alright, let's shut it down. Gonna hit the power button. Depending on your PC, it's gonna be different instructions on booting up. If you look usually at the bottom left of your monitor, it will tell you. So, and go to the boot menu. Alright, so I'm gonna load up into my Windows 10. Once you're on this screen, you're gonna hit Shift F10. It's gonna bring a command. You're gonna put diskpart. Next up is a list, space, disk. Alright, this goes back to you should know which disk is your C drive. Mine is disk 1. So you're going to put select disk 1. Make sure you pick your operating system disk drive. Disk 1 is now selected. You're gonna hit clean. Alright, clean the disk. Create partition primary. Alright, next you're gonna do format space fs equals ntfs. Enter. Alright, this is going to take like 10 to 20 minutes. I'll see you back when it's done. Alright, I lied. That took about a little over 30 minutes. It's almost there. Alright. Next up, you're going to do is assign. Gonna do clean again, and you're gonna do convert convert GPT. Alright, you can do exit. If you haven't done so, if you're on Ethernet cable for internet, go ahead and unplug that now. You'll thank me later. Alright, no internet, awesome. Gonna hit next, install now, let it do its magic. Hit accept. Next, you're gonna do custom. All right, so this is what my 1 terabyte. This is my cleaned C drive. Drive 1, all good to go. All right, gonna hit next, and let the USB stick do its magic. All right, finally finished. Let it restart on its own. It should now, it's gonna boot up into Windows 10. It's safe to unplug the USB if you like. You can leave it plugged in, up to you. This is the part where you should not have internet, in my opinion. Alright, select your region, follow along, whatever's on your country. Alright, comes in clutch. Continue with limited setup. You can name it whatever you want. If you want to put a password, go ahead. I don't like Cortana. Alright, welcome back. You're gonna go to update. You want your PC to get the latest updates. Alright, uninstall now, let it do its magic. Right now would be a good time to install your GPU driver, the latest one, and the DX setup and VC. If you don't know how to get these programs, hit up your provider and ask them to guide you. After several restarts and a whole bunch of bullshit, we have finally updated. You can see. Now we're going to go to control panel, network and internet, network and sharing. change adapter settings, disable your Bluetooth, and disable your Wi-Fi. If you're on Wi-Fi, then disable your Ethernet port. Cool. Awesome sauce.